Hey, welcome back to another episode of Smoking with the Robinsons. Today, we are cooking up some hamburgers, or as we like to call them, SmashBurgers, and you'll see why here in just a minute. What we have here is a couple of ground beef. This is probably about a 1/4 pound, and we like to just roll them up in a ball, which is much easier than pattying out a bunch. So basically what we're going to do is we got two seasonings here, and this is Fiesta brand garlic pepper with parsley because we couldn't find our fajita seasoning. It is out. And we've also got some Luke Booty What's Your Beef rub. Really good stuff here. But all we're going to do is come in, hit each of them pretty good with both of them. That should be good there. Come back with the What's Your Beef. Hit it. Like it, roll it around, pick up all that excess seasoning there. Get it in our ball. And so basically what we're going to do is we're cooking on our PK360 today using some Royal Oak charcoal. We got our grill grates that you've seen us cook on before. We got them flipped upside down where we got a flat cooking surface. We're going to put these burgers on, give them a smash. You can do this on grill grates. You can do it on a griddle, cast iron, whatever you got. But we'll show you how we do it. Let's get these things on. Alright, we're ready to put these things on the grill. And I gotta say, we do have a 3-year-old running around behind us, so I'm not sure what he's gonna be doing. You might see him go down a slide, I'm not sure. Or he might run up here with us, but hey, we're at home, he's playing, we're trying to shoot y'all a video. So, we've got this PK360 fired up like we told you. We got these grill grates, which gives us a good flat surface once we flipped them upside down. And so, I know you can't hardly see it, but on the left side, I've got a little more charcoal, and I've just kind of got it tapered down coming this way. So on this far left side, we're running right at about 630 degrees. And as we come this way, we're just kind of lowering temp. So if this gets too hot, we can always start sliding everything this way. And the only thing you're going to need is some kind of spatula. I use this for our Blackstone griddle, flipping some rice, whatever. So all we got to do with these burgers, set them on here. And we like to let them ride just about a minute or so before we actually smash them down. And I would like to add, we do have a piece of Royal Oak hickory wood in there. So we'll come back to you whenever it's time to smash these burgers. It's been about 1 minute, so it's time to give these a smash. Kind of gives them a little time to form up. So all we do, give them a good smash. We're just trying to build that crust. These are kind of meant to be thin burgers that just have a real good crunch to them on the outside. So we'll let them go just a couple more minutes now, and then we'll give them a flip. Stick around. We've been about 3 more minutes. Let's give these a flip. Hopefully we got a good crust on the back side. Give them another little smash. Be careful not to push them off the back side there. Looking good. We're going to go probably another 3 or 4 more minutes, and we'll get these SmashBurgers built. Okay, we've got a little visitor that's been out playing in the dirt, but he had to check out these SmashBurgers. So I think these things are done. We're gonna get some cheese on them. Check these out. Woo-hoo. Yeah. So we're gonna get this cheese on. As you see, we got us a good crust on these burgers. While that cheese is melting, we're going to get these buns toasted a little bit. And it's about time to build these things. What do you think? Give me a 5. Woo! This cheese should be melted good. Let's check it out. These buns are toasty. I say it's time to get these things off, and let's build these SmashBurgers. Hang around just 1 more second. Alright, it's time to put these burgers together. And I'll say again, we got the dog out here now. We got the kid running around, so you're probably gonna hear footsteps banging on doors. Well, let's get this going. So we've got our toasted bun here. I'm gonna make this for the way I like it. I'm gonna put some mayo on each side. Looks about right to me. I'm gonna go with one patty, a second patty. I like some good onion. Looks about right. Some tomatoes. But I'm about ready for some good homegrown tomatoes. We got some lettuce. Stack that on. Give her another little smash. And that's what we end up with. Looks really good. Got some good cheese melting going on. So let's go ahead and give this a cut in half. See what we're working with here. Everything's a little slick, but hey, this ain't supposed to be a clean job here. Looks good. And now, my favorite time. Let's see if we can't give this a taste. Good. Oh, that's out. Sorry, I had to get cleaned all up after that bite, but that was very good. As you see, we got food out, so he's coming over. You want to try a little bit? What you think? What you think? Want some more? There, you can have it. Tomatoes, huh? So just a little recap of what we did. We took some ground meat, made some hamburgers. We just rolled it in a ball instead of pattying it all out. If you're cooking for a lot of people, this is the easiest way to do it. So you just put it in a ball, season it up, put it on a grill, cast iron, flat top, whatever you got with a flat surface. Let it cook for a minute or so, give it a good smash, get that crust on each side, and then build it the way you like it. We did use the garlic pepper with parsley seasoning and the Luton Booty, What's Your Beef? Gave us some awesome flavors. So we do appreciate you watching. Ain't tearing this thing up, so it must be good. But thanks for watching. We're trying to put out these videos. We've had some rough weather lately where we've not been able to film. But thanks for watching, sharing the videos, liking them. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that little bell notification where you don't miss one. And we'll catch you on the next one. Jack, tell them bye.